Oh yeah. You even got a warmouth in there.
Oh yeah.
You only get stuck with one of those, Jace.
Oh man. You see me handle them carefully?
Oh yeah, very gingerly.
Well, your hands.
So you like to do it right in the.
Right in the snout.
You don't do it in the back.
No sir. Not fish instruction. I won't.
Most people here, locals, do not let the bigger ones go. They like to eat them. Reel. Reel. Oh, that's a good one. There you go, Jace. Jace, wait. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, baby. That's a nice one. That's fine. Jace, back up this way some. Back up a little bit.
There you go. There you go.
All right. Come on. Come on. How about it, Jace?
What do you think about that, buddy?
Man. Come on.
Look.
That's what I'm talking
That's why
about.
you use that rod. Oop, fell right out.
Look at that. Jace, hold him up. 2 hands strong. Straight up. That's awesome.
What do you think about that, buddy?
Yeah, boy. That's about what we noodle. Bring him up towards your chin. Come on. Yes, sir.
What do you think about that, big man?
Huh?
Look at the size of that head.
That's
Yes,
what's
sir.
up. That didn't take long either.
Yeah, boy.
Jace.
Ooh.
How about that trip? Hold him up like this too. Okay, or you can even put him over your shoulder.
Bear hug on him.
Give him a bear hug over your shoulder, whatever. You know what to do. Just don't drop him overboard yet. There you go. There you go. Both hands in that. And then head down a little bit. Yeah, Jace. You've noodled him before, but you've never done rod and reel on a biggie like that. That's awesome. Look how beat up.
Look at this side.
It's like been bit.
Spawning.
Spawning. Look at that. Wow.
Let's get scarred up from spawning.
Yeah, man. That's not brand spanking new, but it's not really old. Look at that, all from spawning. Let me hold that fish a little bit. Watch that. Put my hand on this beautiful creature, man. One of my favorite. Look at that. Just so beautiful, man. I love these fish. Mwah. Give it kicks, man. One time. Straight up to your chin. Go. Thank you for an awesome trip, Layton. Yeah. Let's go get the grease hot.
Yes.
It's real easy because you're following the outline and you're staying. See the ribs right here? Come show it to the camera. See these ribs?
Yep.
So I'm just following the ribs all the way to the spine. See this?
Yeah, it's almost like God put it there.
It's almost like God put it there to help us. And then the belly's coming off as I'm doing this. And then come back over here behind the gills. You see the ribs here?
Yep.
I'm cutting, following the ribs.
It looks like salmon, that part.
So here's half the belly. This is half the belly with the skin still on it. See that? Give that to the animals. See this right here? You can leave it on like a steak and leave some of this bones here, or you can get rid of this right here, Jay, and just fillet it. But this definitely has to get filleted, the bottom piece. Put your blade this way and go back and forth. See what the blade did? I
Yep.
wasn't cutting the table, I was putting it along the table. You can have a cutting board or not. Now watch this, you ready? Your left, just beautiful piece of meat. And then we can soak that in some buttermilk and get the red out. Flip this, use your skin.
Thought there was no skin on that.
You ready?
Is that a new piece?
Membrane. That was membrane. It's called membrane. So you don't want the membrane, right?
Yeah.
So this is all you're wanting. You want the pure meat. You're left with membrane. See that?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is just one fish. We'll have lots of meat.
That's what I'm saying. This is just one fish. See the ribs?
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to soak it in buttermilk, which we made with milk and vinegar. That's good. All right. This one too. Go ahead, babe. That's good.
I don't even know what that
All right.
is.
Let's see what Jay's got. He got what he thought was Cajun seasoning, which we're out of. So we're going to make our own. See, here's what's in that. We can work with that. We can work with salt. We can work with garlic, paprika, sugar, onion, spice. This is from Grapevine, Texas. So I like to use local. So we can use that. We can use some cayenne, not too much cayenne because it's real spicy. And then Jay's brought curry. I don't think we're going to be using curry. Flour, first thing. Open it up. Onion powder. You can put plenty of that in there as well.
Oh.
Can't go wrong with onion powder. Don't breathe it. All right, next. Turkey seasoning from Texas, from Grapevine. This actually has paprika, salt, pepper, so you can't go wrong with adding this. Since we don't have Cajun seasoning, we're going to put all of it. Garlic salt. All right. Mix it all around, and then we're going to taste it before we actually even put the meat in there.
Stay it's on. Oh, it did it! Yes!
Ruthie's cutting us some fish right now. That's pretty good.
Careful, it splashed one time on me. I'm gonna say that.
Let it roll off the side. See?
Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Danny, you can't do that part, right?
Let it roll off the side.
Okay.
So don't splash it.
Can I do it?
Yep. Roll it up gently and don't splash yourself. You're going to feel it forever. It's hot.
You can watch Savannah. She's small. You just look at that. If it's too big, you can
Good
do
job,
something
Rick.
about it. If it's too small, you can't do anything about it. When it's too big, Dad.
Does that look good, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
1 second, baby. Let me finish what I'm doing here. You want to do this before the oil burns. Good?
Spicy.
You just go like this.
You got it. Don't splash me.
You don't want to turn the oil down because the fish,
Look out, don't splash me, don't splash me.
the fish cools it off. My helpers. You not so much. You're drooling.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. A bunch of it.
That good? Somebody bring mom some. Run and bring mom some.
All of them. Same ones every time.
How's it, boy? Where's that?
Is that spicy? Rabbit.
Mmm. That's good. Huh, boys? All right, I had to take a quick dip. I was hot.
I think I'm gonna go jump in.
Go.